Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today we go back with the tools. We're gonna do some full service and fully rebuilt engine for the Makita saw. They reported to me this one been water in it, been serviced last time, and they used and in the rain and they suck in the water, and now they put new petrol on and pull and now start. And like usual, if it no start, what we have to do is take it out and test the compression test, and it's only show me 60 psi, so it's low balls. Okay, so what we have to do today is strip it out the Makita. This saw it make only one, the piston only one rings, so it's very easy to lose compression. So what we do is take out this one, and always wrap yourself a new Makita assembly. The thing for this saw is Makita, you can never ever get on eBay. You have to go to the Makita factory and order from Makita. So that's how the assembly turn up to look like. So all we have to do now is to install them on. Okay, so that's how they wrap up. See, only one rings on the piston, so very careful guys. If you mix with bad oil mix and water go in here, it can cause damage the piston rings, and you have to replace the whole piston assembly. Okay, and there will be no joke, this thing very costly, it's not cheap at all. So what I show you today is fully take them all out. Take this one off, the guard off first, the exhaust out, and we can undo from that end. Okay, it's similar, and after we finish we can wash it, clean it outside with the rags and water, and make it nice and clean. Make it clear, more room for you to work on. And this one out. The belt are still good. This saw sort of like brand new saw, not wrong from there. Okay, brand new saw like this one, it costs you like 2100. Not cheap. You don't have to take up the belt or that side. All you have to do is take up exhaust, pull start, and you can enter your hand in here. Be careful with all the ignition coil and all that, because this machine, they cost you a lot of money for spare parts. No kidding at all on the spare part. So expensive. So the muffler out, and this cover pop out, and you can, bingo! Exhaust one right there. Don't mix up the exhaust nuts and bolts. It's very hard to find the bolts and nuts. Screw now. Don't lose any gasket. Okay. See this one? See the damage on that edge? And you can see on that corner there. Later I take up the and you will see the damage. Okay, they've been this machine, be honest, they've been sent to someone and they will try to open up, and I said to you, what's something easy, they take it. If something they can't do it, they bring it to me. So I take all the can of worms in there. I had big trouble with getting this piston today. Yes, see, even try to undo this piston, the decompression as well, they all loose. Anyway, away. Put you away. Okay, put away. So what we can do is undo that spring there. Leave that one, leave the carbon in here if you want. Take up 4 bolts and you can pull the piston out that way. Take 2 pins underneath here and it came loose, and what we do is get the bloody tools here. Shit tools, very rarely use it. To go in here, to go in that clip there. Press and pull it out. Open it up. Get flat screwdrivers and take it out from there, and we be free from there, baby. Or you don't want to break by flat screwdriver, get this one, lift it up and get one flat screwdriver, take it up by 2 hands, much easier. Okay. Okay, out. So what we do is one there, okay, one there, and what we do is put them up that way, and later we do the same shit. How they come out, how they back in. Slide the piston on, put all this one on, set up that one and slide in. Okay, simple. Okay, this one put on away, put on one side, and this one, what we talk about, moment of truth is here. Make sure you got 4 head bolt here, and use these gaskets again because they don't come with the gasket. So this is a steel gasket, you can use it again. Okay, no silicone tricks in here. So this is the history, the story we talk about is here. You see, 1 piston rings, or doesn't matter how many piston ring they are, one is stop up, it still stop up. So one is damaged up like this, should be this one damaged as well. See, so this one cannot be repaired. You can if you oversize it, but no good, just buy another one. Okay, see, all damage there and damage there and damage there. All we do now, wash and clean through it and put the new one on, so just in case the dust coming inside the new one, it was nice and clean like brand new sauce. So you make sure you clean, make sure all the dust they come out, so when you installation the new one, the dust not go inside the new one. Okay, so make sure clean and flow everything out nice and clean. Okay, so what I always do is when I plow out, all the oil in here will clean out. So what I always use is any engine oil, or I use pass load oil. Pass load oil, I go here, main crank, and this one, just some of it. That's all you need. You don't need like mechanic car engine. Okay, so you just that's all you need. That's all you need, because all the thing you need is here. Main crank bearing there, and this conrod bearing. Now you can remove this one and install the new one on. What I always do is take up the little pin here, circlip around the piston by little flat screwdrivers, by little long nose pliers. Just rip and pull them out, doesn't matter, we got a new one anyway. Just put on one side just in case don't go to the engine. You may mix up with the new and old one, or it may fall inside the engine again and you'll be in small trouble. Not big, just small trouble. So knock the pin out, and you can get the pin out by your magic tools, or it's too hard because it's been set up. Oops, sorry mama. Here we go. This one in the bin, this one brand new sauce, not out at all. As you can see, the burning is like got water in, see? That's why it's burning bad. So we put that roll pin back on, put a bit of oil on the hole, in the hole here, lubricate the ring, the around. Okay, get the new one out, rubber band. Okay, the target always go that way. See the target go that way, so go forward that way. Okay, so lock pin, don't lose you. I'm not gonna lose you, mate. You kidding, mate? Lock pin, can you believe it? One on here already. But to show, I always put some lubricants on the rings too, by put some of the past lot oil on too. So just look a little bit. Okay. So this one we go get it. Okay, go forward that way, and this one go in that way, and I slide you in that way, and I get you in, baby. On. Okay, clean my hand. Now tilt this way. I'm gonna insert my lock pin by long nose splice, holding just like this. Like this, you can get it on very easily in 5 seconds. No wrong. Okay, this is a steel gasket. You can use the steel gasket again, and make sure put them on. You got a target along. Expand and close. Okay, open, expand. Oh my, come out bigger, man. Okay, expand. Oh shit. Terrible tools. Okay, one more try, baby. We're gonna squeeze and slide the piston rings on. So the pin go there, similar like every other Husqvarna, still all the same way, same trick to slide this one on. Okay, squeeze it, squeeze your hand in there, squeeze your hand on the piston ring where the stop pin inside the piston is, and it's on. Move that one away. Move that one away. So it's on. Now you don't worry too much. Okay. Now what we do is set up that house there. See that one? Right there. And this one right in there before we put the head on. Okay, see a bit of pressure on this one. Yep. Okay, now so that was on properly. Now you can see the acceleration cable moving here. See, when you pull the trigger, it's moving, so it's on position. So make sure two bolts are tight. And this one, when it's on, it should be slide on the, see the group there. See this one, slide on the where the fuel line in. Put the muffler on. Put the muffler on, and I am happy, very happy. Not only me, you and I will be happy. So which way we going, man? So this way go on like that or not? So that one go on like that, so it go on like that, so it's go on like that. so no wrong here. And what we do, 1, 2, turn this one. So what size you will use it? So 1, 2, 3. Come on, man, where are you, brother? So it's gone on like this, super easy. All you do is line them on, put back the machine, and this is where I take it out from the muffler, and it hit the coil. See the ignition coil. So don't ever do stupid thing and try to do this at home. One, you damage the ignition coil. You know how much this one costs you? $280 just for this white ignition coil. So be very careful. Just get something decent size, shorter, and match them. See if all the way in and it's not touching the ignition coil, it's good to go. Don't ever try something not very smart. Okay, so we're gonna put the starter motor on. Starter. So make sure they're on and they can go quick. Come on, man. Where are you, man? So it's go there. And so it's not going down. That's why it's not engaged. Keep pulling until it's engaged. That's it. When it's engaged, you can make sure not too tight yet. Not too tight yet. Just make sure so it's still engaged. So good. Come on, drill. Kind of followed by another impact drills. The impact drill is terrible. So working good. Decompression. Super, man. Super decompression. So all that we're gonna have to take up the oil, the petrol, old petrol, and we're gonna put the new petrol on. So up, up, cover on. Terrible tools, man. Okay, look like looking great. Cover on, and now I gotta wait. I gotta get a new petrol and put on for you and start it up. See, you will see moment of truth. And my mission complete. Always my fault. So I put this old oil out, old petrol out. I put my mix on because I don't trust him. I don't trust this one. Okay. Put on decompressor and choke all the way. Choke all the way and pull. See how it's like. Take this off. So it's on. So it's on. Very powerful. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools. It'll be dark now. I can't wrap up really high, so job done, and I'm gonna put everything back tomorrow and complete my job. So this is the victory of the piston. Maybe mix or something drop in here, I don't know. That's the answer. I give you answer. So my job is done. and I hope you understand a little bit what I do today with Makita saw. And if you have any question, please comment or question down below, and I'm willing to help you out whatever I know. See ya.